Hello everyone, this is Vishwajit Burman from gossipfunda. In this video, we discuss about how we find our malicious software from our device. So first, understand what is malicious software. That miscellaneous software also as malware or also a virus. We can say it is a program file or a app or a software, also a website. So what does it do? It infect our network connection or our device. How we can detect that we have malware in our device or not? For that we can observe some unusual activities like loss of disk space, slow speed. Sometimes it can be crashed or freeze your device, etc. Now, what is the effect of malware? That it give access to the hacker to control our device like contact number, camera, microphones, SD card, your mobile apps, or you can say your videos, anything it can be controlled. Now we have so many software for scan our device, but by default we already have so many all by default OS, our OS mobile device OS has a antivirus, or we can say a scanner which scan our device all the time. So but other than that, if you don't have, then we have a software which can scan your device and give the report of your device. That app is that AVN antivirus free. Download this, install this first. Now open, scan now, give the permission. Now after scanning it show me a like a virus. Not virus, this is not a virus. That USB debugging, everyone know about USB debugging. So I go for ignore because I need this. So after this we can also uh, check before download our file or app. We can go to our profile, then my app and games. Here we see on the top that no harm app founded. So click over it, and here if this is turned off, do the turn on for your safety, because it scan your app before download or install in your device, that which app is harmful for you or which app is good for you. It scan, and after scanning it give access to download your app. So again let's check. We have that scan option button here for scanning. No harmful virus found or no harmful app found. So this is how you can check your device. So many we have already, we have also so many apps like if type antivirus, or anti-malware. Here you can see so many apps which can check or access your device and give the report of your device, that how many virus or malware software you have in your device.
Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to put your queries in our comment box. And check out our Gossip Funda blog for more interesting topic. Link in the description box. Please check out. Thank you.